Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, back again with another video. And within this video, I'm going to explain how do you attach a strap to a Panerai watch. Now this particular watch, this particular reference is the Panerai PAM 112, the Panerai Luminor 00112. So it uses screws. It's got 24 millimeter lugs. So check out my other videos, subscribe, and see how I attach the buckle to the strap. I've got a separate video for that. I'll flash up a YouTube card. But the main thing is with these straps, whether you're buying from, if you're buying official Panerai straps, or maybe you're just buying some aftermarket straps, make sure they fit. Because, every Panerai reference, a lot of Panerai references are different. This particular one, PAM 112, has 24 millimeter lugs, but this strap tapers down to 22 millimeters. So I've got 24 millimeters at the lugs, 22 millimeters where the buckle comes into play. So what you want to do is, and depending upon your confidence level, you may want to put a towel on your table and better protect things, but I'm pretty confident. I don't care if this scratches because I banged it into walls, it's already scratched up. So if you want to be very careful, you could put tape around the lug right here so that it possibly could better prevent your screw or your screwdriver from scratching the side of the case. But I'm pretty confident. I'm going to stick this in very carefully, and then I'm going to stick it in the, drop my strap. I'm going to put my strap back in here, stick it through the hole. It is worth mentioning, check your strap. See this little metal piece? Make sure you've got those metal tubes in your strap. Some straps don't have them. That just makes things better, man. If you don't have that, it's going to be pretty janky. Could be pretty janky. Push this in, and then you're going to have to kind of feel. See? It made a kind of a click, pop sound. So now I know the screw's engaged on the other side. Again, put tape on, go to your authorized dealer if you don't have any dexterity or afraid of scratching your case. But in my case, I just kind of put my fingers close together. I put my screwdriver in there. And I don't talk while I do this. Let's see. Here we go. Kind of do your fingers, make sure it's reasonably tight. You don't want to over tighten, but that's perfect. So now I've got the top part. It is worth mentioning the strap. The top part with the buckle goes at the 12 o'clock position. Then we're going to put this other long piece. Again, make sure your little tube is in there, which it is. We're going to put it down here at the 6 o'clock position. We're going to stick this in. It goes without mentioning, this particular PAM 112, the screw's got to go in from this side because that's the bigger hole. That's a smaller hole. So, pay attention to where you're sticking it in from, man. We're going to stick this in here. Get our little screw. Carefully put in. Don't want to scratch the case. I mean, I bang this into walls and swim with it and this, that, and the other, but I don't want to abuse it. Make sure it's, that lining up part is kind of difficult at first because see, you got to, see, there we go. So now that's lined up. Now you got to line it up with this hole over here. And see, you heard it. It kind of made a little snap sound. So that means that it's lined up over there. So now I can start screwing it. I get my screwdriver. Hold my fingers tightly together. I'm going to stop talking. Ooh, I scratched the case. Oops. It was gentle. I didn't put a lot of pressure on it. But it still made that sound, and that sound is, okay, now it's reasonably tight. That's it, man. That's how I swap out my Panerai watch straps. And that's one of the cool things about one of the coolest things about Panerai is that you can give it a completely different look day to day, week by week, week to week, yearly, annually, whatever. Maybe you never swap your straps. Maybe the strap you've got on your Panerai is so raggedy that it's time to swap it out. Maybe that's why you're swapping it. This is how I do it. I swap quite frequently. I use these leather straps for day to day. This one right here, which is also a leather strap, although it kind of looks like a boat sail type material, just to kind of give it a different look. Most of these straps come with this piece. Depending upon your wrist size, you would have wanted to put this on. I don't. I just want the one piece, so I'm going to keep this in my box. But yeah, that's how to swap out a Panerai strap. Again, Panerai Luminor PAM 112. Great way to mix up your the wrist appearance of your watch. And if you want to coordinate your watch strap, your Panerai watch strap, with the outfit that you're wearing, you can do that too. I mean, it's just a good way to be a very well coordinated, well put together gentleman or lady. I mean, if you're a lady and you want to wear this, that's fine, man. A lot of ladies like these big PAMs. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe. YouTube.com/IRIXGuy. And just as a reminder, always go to your authorized dealer if you want to have any sort of watch work done. I do this myself because I don't care if I scratch my timepieces, because I bang them into walls anyway, man. I swim with them in oceans throughout the world. So they're pretty banged up. I don't care. But if you do care, always go to an authorized dealer. Thanks for your viewership. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IRIXGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIXGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.